I'm ready. I can't remember what these are, but yeah, all of it. Yeah. Yeah, we are here. And welcome back, everybody. Good morning, good evening, good night, whatever time it is you guys are watching this. So, in this vlog, we're gonna make some door handles, some door straps, whatever you want to call it, to make opening your race doors easier. Something cheap. It was less than 30 bucks, depending on what you buy from Amazon. But let's get to this vlog. Alright, guys, so say there's a situation, God forbid, anything would ever happen, but whenever, say we just got done doing a pass. Yes, I'm sitting a little low right now. We do not have a seat inside Tonka, but say we pulled up to our canopy, this is what you'd see. I'd have to reach for this and open the door. So our goal is to connect the strap from this little hole where the little rod that looks like this will go to the front door handle to just like a strap or a cable. So all you have to do is pull it and you're good to go. You don't have to hook it like this. Now to what we bought. I just went on Amazon. This little box, whole kit, was I think 10 bucks. Is 1/16 inch thick cable. This braided cable. And then whatever choice of straps you want. So these are the little toe straps, or JDM toe straps. Just preference. I got these so it's easier to see. So at nighttime, you're just going to see this bright strap, and then you know what to pull. Yes, you could get any color, just preference. I wanted these. They'll still look good. Alright guys, so for starters, let's get this little clip out, because whenever you use force, you're probably going to break that clip. There's no point in keeping it in there. Also, you can still lock it and use the key. So to lock it, you just pull this handle and then push this inwards. And now it's locked, and then, come on. That should be unlocked. So you can't lock it, because remember you have to pull the handle and push that little button. Now it's locked. And unlocked. But anyway, let's get this little clip out. Excuse my nails. All you have to do is pinch this. Yes, you could break it, but you just gotta pinch this. I'm looking through the camera, so excuse me if I'm doing that. So we'll run the cable through here and then feed it to the strap. Now let's start assembling this. So these will help it pivot, kind of like a little bushing on the inside. And then you can't put it on that little slot. So all you gotta do is grab some needle nose and split it just like that. And this little gap should be enough for you to start feeding it through. And it is. Just one little pinch like that, and it works. So we have our cable right here. There's a lot. Don't worry about making mistakes, because I mean, you could probably use this for other stuff too, but if you don't like the first one you make, you have so much more to use. Alright guys, so you guys are on the tripod. I have it like this so I can use two hands. Pause. But this is the little, I don't know what to call this. I guess our new bushing. And then we'll take our cable and feed it around this way. You could cut this. You don't need any special cutters. Yes, they'll come in handy, but I literally used these cheap Walmart ones. I mean, yes, it had to take a few bites out of it, but it still cut it. There's multiple ways to cut it, but you don't need anything too fancy. I just use that as an example. So this will end up moving like this around here, and it will put the lock on. And now we grab our lock. Now we're going to feed these through one at a time. Come on. Boom. Got one fed. So you keep a decent distance on one side so it doesn't fall all the way through. And once it goes like this, then you can start pulling on the line and it'll start retracting this one in. About right there. So I'll pinch this and we're halfway there. Alright guys, so all I did was use vice grips. There's probably specific tools to pinch this down, but it's gonna work. It's pinched down enough. No special tool. You could probably buy cheaper vice grips, grind the teeth down so they don't leave marks. But let's install the pull strap. Alright guys, so now let's install the pull strap. Undo this because we're not going to use it. Grab a lock and grab our bushing grommet, whatever you want to call it. Still have no idea what it's really called. Me personally, I want the strap to hang pretty high because how long it is. So I'm probably going to have the clamp probably around right here if it stays. This, bend it outwards. I'll do this one with you guys. So we're going to go decently high because how thick the metal of the pull strap is. That's actually expanded pretty big. Do that, and then now we're going to pinch it together. As you see, the gap's closed. So we feed this line through. Wind's starting to pick up outside. It's really windy and really hot. That's how today is right now. I'm trying to rush. I just frayed that out. Yes, this is a little longer clip than the other ones, but let's keep it rolling. So there's that. And then you could just adjust to how high you want yours. I'm going to adjust mine pretty high. I'm going to cut the cable to where I want it, and then I'll crimp it. Alright guys, we're done. Are you guys ready to see it? So say we pull up the canopy. Boom. Don't have to fight with this little lever. It's really bright. I really apologize if that was loud, but I'll get this side done off camera. Yeah, it just hangs out right here. Never need it. Boom. Alright guys, so that will conclude this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. It is a very cost-effective way of making a really accessible handle for you to exit your race car if you have race doors, stuff like that. But hope you guys enjoyed. Stay blessed, stay slammed, most importantly, keep gunning, and I'll catch you guys next time.